Hey guys, I'm doing this video real quick for you just to show you the setup of this AC and dehumidifier machine here. So it's really simple. Real quick, just to show you what it comes with. For the install kit that goes in the window, it actually comes with these two pieces here, which if you see behind me, I have a pretty tall window. This is a 5-foot window. So the actual pieces that it came with weren't quite long enough. So I did have to buy a universal kit to go along with it. I still had to use this piece from the original kit that came with the AC in order to fit this part, so you can kind of see the color difference there. But just know that, so measure your window or whatever your opening is, so you know if you need an additional length or an additional kit to make sure you have that fully enclosed there. Otherwise, you might have to do some weird stuff to get it sealed off. But other than that, anyways, it was really easy to put this part together. You can see it has wing nuts, super simple. Just has like little bolts that slide in the slots here, and you can connect that all together, and it makes it super easy to adjust the height. I have mine pre-set up for my window already, and I'll show you in a moment after I explain the rest of the things. For the exhaust vent itself, because again, you have to make sure you exhaust this because it blows out a lot of heat. If you don't know already, the backside makes a lot of heat. It's required in order to cool the air. So you want to get that out of your house. That's why you need this. But this comes as 3 separate pieces. This part here connects to the AC unit. This part here connects to this to exhaust outside. And it's really easy, just like the accordion style type duct here. Pull it out, and then this just kind of snaps on, and then screw it to tighten it. And that's it on that. So I'm going to turn the unit around and show you the backside. Oh, one more thing I forgot to mention. It does come with this piece of mesh here, and what that's for is when we get the guard here in the window, it will just sit back here if you want to. I'm not actually going to use it on mine because I have a screen, but if you don't have a screen, you'll want to use this to keep big things out like birds or mice or whatever, big type of things that could crawl inside of your exhaust. Again, I have a screen, so I'm not going to use it. So turn this around here, and you can see really easily square. And then you have the slot here, so this just slides in place. You hear it click, it's in place. And then while we're back here, I want to show you, in order to drain this thing, you have a couple different options. So you have this drain down here. So if you want to let it fill up, you have to take the whole unit into like outside or a tub or somewhere where you can like tip it and drain it. Or you can use this one up here as like a continuous drain. It does come with this tubing. So for this option, and this is the option that I'll be using, you want to take that off, and then it has this connector that slides in, and then you screw it back on, and then you just push the tube on here. So a couple different options. You can just let it drain out into a bucket and then dump that bucket every once in a while. Or what I'm going to do is actually use a condensate pump. So it's going to drain down into a pump, and I'm just going to have it pump out my window. So either of those options work good. So now I'm going to actually get it set up in the window. So you slide it open. Again, as I mentioned, I have the height pre-adjusted for my window. You get it in place, and it kind of sits there. And then you'll see this window strip foam that it comes with. So it has a couple pieces with sticky tape on the back. So just to create a seal, you can tape it on there. I'm not going to do this part right now, but you can tape it on there to create a seal. And then it comes with another piece of foam that doesn't have the sticky back, so you can use it to fill in any other gaps or whatever spaces that you might have once you finish getting yours set up. So once you have your height adjusted for your window, you just take the duct. I'm going to pull it out long here. And this has tabs in it. You see the little tab holes here. You just get those lined up. And lock it in place. Close your window. And that's really it, guys. So it's really easy to set up. Just follow those steps and then you'll be ready to go. One more thing to point out, just when you plug it in, it does have this GFI. So a lot of times when you unplug these things, they might trip. So see, I just plugged it in. There's no indicator light. So it doesn't come on. Just go ahead and make sure it's reset and make sure you have that green light on. And then you're ready to use your unit. And that's it.